Novo Nordisk, AstraZeneca, Genentech, Bayer. Do any of these names ring a bell? These are just some of the manufacturers with a short window for a return. In fact, many of their products are probably sitting on your facility shelves right now. Way too many pharmacies miss out on their return credit simply by forgetting or thinking the process is way more complicated than it actually is. But United RX Solutions is here to help. We will send you everything you need to complete a fast and simple contactless return. Our experts are on call to assist you with the process and maximize on your return. Don't miss out on your return credits by letting these expiration dates sneak up on you. We can help every step of the way. Give United RX Solutions a call or shoot us a message. United RX Solutions. Keep your distance, not your returns.